Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi. This is the unboxing and review of a USB-powered mosquito zapper with blue light. Mosquitoes are among the most common household and outdoor pests, especially during warm and humid weather. Their bites can be irritating, disturb sleep, and in some regions mosquitoes can transmit diseases. While traditional methods such as sprays, candles, and insect repellents can help reduce mosquito activity, mosquito traps offer another practical way to control these pests. Designed for both indoor and outdoor environments, mosquito traps can attract and capture mosquitoes without requiring people to continuously apply chemicals to their skin or surroundings. This mosquito trap uses light and airflow to attract mosquitoes and other bugs. Once mosquitoes approach the device, a fan may pull them into a collection chamber, where they become trapped and die. The captured mosquitoes can then be disposed of by emptying or cleaning the trap according to the manufacturer's instructions. For indoor use, mosquito traps can be particularly useful in bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and other areas where mosquitoes are frequently noticed. This indoor model is designed to operate quietly and use low energy, making it suitable for overnight operation. I use a power bank that can let it operate for several days non-stop. A trap placed in an appropriate location can gradually reduce the number of mosquitoes in a room. Unlike aerosol insecticides, this electric mosquito trap do not require spraying chemicals into the air, which can make them an appealing option for people who prefer a less intrusive method of pest control. Basically, a silent fan that doesn't burn the mosquitoes, so there's no smell or crackling noise when a bug is trapped. One of the major advantages of mosquito traps is their convenience. Once installed and switched on, many models can operate automatically for extended periods. They can also reduce reliance on products that need to be repeatedly applied. Depending on the technology used, mosquito traps may also capture other flying insects, although their effectiveness against different species varies considerably. However, mosquito traps are not a complete solution to mosquito problems. Their effectiveness depends on factors such as mosquito species, temperature, humidity, trap design, placement, and the size of the area being treated. Outdoor conditions can also make mosquito control more difficult because new mosquitoes can continually enter the area. For this reason, traps work best as part of a broader mosquito control strategy. Removing standing water, keeping gutters clear, using screens on doors and windows, and reducing areas where mosquitoes can breed can significantly improve results. In conclusion, mosquito traps provide a convenient way to help control mosquitoes both indoors and outdoors. By attracting and capturing mosquitoes rather than simply repelling them, these devices can contribute to a more comfortable living environment. Their performance varies between models and conditions, so choosing an appropriate trap and placing it correctly is important. When combined with good sanitation, elimination of standing water, and other preventive measures, a mosquito trap can be a useful tool for enjoying homes, gardens, patios, and outdoor spaces with fewer unwanted mosquitoes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.